Today, we proudly present Pandit Nekiram Sharma Government Hospital and College, where our premium materials, including CFP panels, Country Stone, and GRC Jali screens, come together to create a modern architectural masterpiece. Pandit Nekiram Sharma Government Hospital covers an expansive 6,000 square feet with Unistone's gray CFP panels. These panels come in various sizes: 800 by 1200 millimeters, 800 by 900 millimeters, and 800 by 600 millimeters, providing flexibility in design and installation. These panels are installed with grooves measuring 3.5 millimeters. Our CFP panels ensure immaculate corners, giving walls a flawless, sharp, and professional finish. We also offer customized sizes, ensuring the perfect fit for any architectural vision. Besides the CFP panels, the hospital also features 6,000 square feet of GRC Jali screens, with individual screen sizes of 1370 by 1790 millimeter. These screens are designed for more than just aesthetics. They provide natural ventilation and a touch of artistic elegance to the building's facade. At Pandit Nekiram Sharma Government College, Unistone's gray CFP panels also play a key role, covering 3,168 square feet. Available in sizes of 260 by 485 millimeter and 260 by 650 millimeter, these panels bring a sleek, modern touch to the college's entrance. For the exterior walls, we used approx. 7,366 square feet of Choco Red Country Stone in sizes of 230 by 75 millimeter. The Choco Red color enhances the overall aesthetic, making the college a visual standout in its surroundings. The college also benefits from our GRC Jali screens, with 350 square feet used in sizes of 800 by 800 millimeters. Together, these materials, CFP panels, GRC Jali screens, and Choco Red Country Stone, cover more than 16,500 square feet across both institutions. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.